Corporation Y has had a big impact in the past 5 years in regards to technology, as well as making sure that it doesn't leave a big carbon footprint in regards to the environment, which is something that I believe is very important and is a reason why I want to be part of this corporation. I believe I have three very strong strengths in regards to being a part of the marketing field. Having organizational abilities that are very strong, being very responsible and timely, as well as making sure to be always open-minded. There was an example where I had a team in a marketing business class that were not working together well and did not have a structure, so I made an outline as well as time frames for each part of the project so that they could all come together, and in the end we ended up having an A+ project. The second part was being organized. The second part of being organized is being responsible and timely. There was a time when I had to do a research project for a biology lab about Drosophila, which is just a common fruit fly. And I had to make sure that by the end of the month I had a 20-page paper as well as a presentation, and I was able to get that time. In that time I was able to get it done and efficiently processed. And lastly, having an open mind, especially in the category of technology, is very important. Looking towards the future rather than at the past is very important. When I look at my current job as a bank teller, a lot of the older folks, they look at CDs and bonds, which are now not as highly attractive in the market space as they have a lower interest rate return. So we try to get them more into stocks, or if not stocks, because it's a little bit risky at an older age, having CD terms instead of a longer CD term deposit, and then maybe a credit card or a line of credit to help them with a higher credit score even at the end of their later time period. Overall, I feel like I'd be a great benefit to the corporation, and that I would look past general obstacles and be more into how can we create an effective team, make sure that it's a timely project, and look for ways to be innovative and start something new rather than to just try and compete against the next closest market competitor. Thanks.